Hello friends! Do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you look on the board and tell me which square has the last shape we colored in for the last day that we did yesterday? What shape is in the last square? It's a little bit tricky today because it was the last day of the month. It was the last day of January yesterday, and we ran out of spaces on our calendar. Do you remember? This was our last row, and we ran out of squares for our one last day. So we just put a little line here and put it in the bottom. So yesterday was the 31st of January. So Sunday, January 31st, 2021. Today is the first day of February. So we are going to erase all of our shapes and our numbers off the board, and we're going to start fresh. So we're also going to pick a new pattern. And February is a special month because it has Valentine's Day. So right smack in the middle of the month is a special day that we get to celebrate the people that mean the most to us, the people that we love with all of our heart. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick hearts for our pattern for February. And we need to figure out what today is. So yesterday was the 31st. So normally we would just move over to the next square to tell us what today is. So yesterday was Sunday, so today is Monday. And when I move over to the next square here, instead of coloring it in here, I am going to color it at the top here. I'm going to go all the way up the column to start my calendar again. And this will be our first day of February. I'm going to put in a red heart. You can put a red heart in on your calendar if you've already flipped it. I just want to put the heart in before I erase the board so that I can remember which day is today. So now I'm just going to erase the rest of the board. All that hard work we did, we'll just erase it, and we will start again fresh for February. Oh my, I wonder what happened there. That's weird. I will come back and clean that after. I've never had that happen before. Looks like we accidentally used a permanent marker there, so I will get that off later as well. So today is Monday, the square with the heart. So I'm going to take my marker, and because it's the first day, do you know what number it is? When we start counting, where do we start? With the number 1. So I'm going to put a 1 in that square. And that will be our first day of February. Now, we need to also change the month. So, do you remember what the months of the year are? Let's say them together. Ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. And last month was January, so what do you think this month is going to be? What's the next one? Do you remember? We just said it. February. Did you guess February? I'll take our January off, and we will put up our February. I'm going to leave our snowflakes up just for today. Today I'm going to make some new decorations to put on our calendar, but the snowflakes can stay for today. So let's go back to our calendar and do the days of the week. So today is Monday. Do you remember how many days there are in the week? Good guess. Let's see if you're correct. Ready? We'll count them together. It's okay if you don't know them. We'll learn all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. So today is Monday. So let's put that into our calendar sentence. So our sentence starts with today is, and we're going to put in the day of the week, which is Monday. And we're kind of far away, so I know you can't see it that far. Let's hold it up here close to you. Can you see that? This is how we spell Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. So I'm going to put Monday in our sentence. Today is a capital T because it's the first word in our sentence, and Monday is going to have a capital M because it's the name of the day. So capital M-O-N-D-A-Y. And then we're going to put a comma there, and that'll remind us to pause before we say the next word, which is the month of the year. So we are in February. So capital F, F as in fun, friend, F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y, February, February. So we'll go back to our sentence. Today is Monday. I'm going to put a capital F because it's the name of the month. Capital F-E-R-U-A-R-Y. So today is Monday, February 1st. So when we put our number 1 in the calendar, instead of saying 1, we say first. So I'll put a 1 for first, and then a comma, and then the year, 2021. 2021, and then a period. So today is Monday, February 1st, 2021. And that period tells us to stop. That's the end of our sentence. So we don't have anything to count down today or any patterns, but we are going to start our pattern with a red heart. And tomorrow we will pick a new pattern. So today is Monday, tomorrow will be Tuesday. Did you check the weather before we sat down to do our calendar today? I peeked out the window and I took a look to see what it's like today. But before we talk about that, I just want to show you last month's weather. So this was all the weather that we talked about last month. And the good thing about a tally mark is it helps us to know what we had the most of and what we had the least of. So by looking at this calendar, we can tell which kind of weather we had the most of and which kind of weather we had the least of. Can you see which kind of weather we had the least of? Which one has the smallest number of tally marks? Can you tell? That one looks kind of long. 3, 2. This one only has a 1. So windy. We only had one windy day. We probably had more windy days than one, but all these other types of weather were more important than the wind that was blowing around. So can you see which type of weather we had the most of? Which type of weather we had the most of? I think it's the sunny and partly cloudy. We have 2 groups of 5, right? When we have 4 tally marks and a tally mark that's on a diagonal slash, that means 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 1, let's count them up and see if your guess is right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We had 11 partly sunny days, partly cloudy days. So our least type of weather was windy and our most type of weather was partly sunny and partly cloudy. So I'm going to erase those out as well. That was neat to find out what kind of weather we had last month. And then we are going to discuss today. Do you have a rainy kind of day today? Or a sunny kind of day? What about snow? Do you have snow where you live? Let's have a look. Does it kind of look like this? Some clouds with some snowflakes falling from the sky? No, we're not snowy here. What about cloudy? We're kind of cloudy here. I did see a few clouds, but it's not totally cloudy. I can still see the sun. Cloudy with some raindrops. There's no raindrops falling from our clouds. Where I live, it's usually snowing. So not usually going to be any rain. What about windy? Do you think it's windy today? I didn't see any trees moving around outside, so I don't think it's windy where I am today. Sunny? Is it sunny where you live? Do you get to wear shorts today? I have to wear pants and a winter jacket and snow boots. It's partly sunny, but not fully sunny. There's still some clouds, so I'm going to put partly cloudy, partly sunny on my weather board today. And I'm going to put a tally mark. Can you help me find the partly sunny, partly cloudy? This one is a sun, but there's no cloud, so that's not the one we're looking for. Cloudy? It's partly cloudy, but not fully cloudy, so that's not quite the one. These clouds have some raindrops falling from them, but it's not raining where I live today. What about snowing? Nope, not snowing with me today. Partly sunny, partly cloudy, a sun with a cloud. Let's make our tally mark. Do you remember? Put your finger up to the sky and strike straight down. Ready? Do it with me again. Put your finger to the sky and strike down. We've got one tally mark in our chart there. So next I'm going to do our agenda. Do you have your agenda ready? This is my agenda, and I put my name on it so that everybody knows it's my agenda. And I spell my name Celynnne, and then right here, this little mark here, that's an apostrophe and then an S. And when you put an apostrophe S at the end of someone's name, that's how people know that it's yours. So at the end of your name, you can put an apostrophe S, and everybody will know it's yours when they see that. So this says Celynne's agenda. Don't forget that apostrophe S. So yesterday was Sunday, January 31st. And my plan for the day was to make snowflakes out of paper. And I did do that. I made them out of colorful paper that was already printed. So I didn't have to color the patterns. They were already on the paper, and they turned out beautiful. You can check out the video for that. So I'm going to check this off because I completed that, and I'm going to turn the page for today. And I'm going to write today's date. So we'll start with the day of the week. So capital MONDAY, comma, and then the month of the year, capital F. Oh, I almost put February, or I almost put January. Capital FEBRUARY, and then a 1, and then I'm going to put a comma, and I ran out of room, so I'm going to come down to the bottom here and put 2021. And then underneath here, I'm going to practice my numbers. But today is only 1, so I only need to practice the number 1. And then I'm going to draw my weather. So I've got a cloud and a sun. And today, I am going to go for a walk because it's partly sunny, partly cloudy. It's kind of nice out. It's not too cold. So I'm just going to draw myself, and then I'm going to put on a snowsuit because it's kind of cold, with some snow pants. Do you have a snowsuit with some snow pants? It's great for going tobogganing or going sledding, skidooing, skating, or even just playing in my yard. And then I'm going to have some green mittens. I like the color green. It reminds me of summer. And some black boots. What color are your boots? Do you have boots? Or do you get to wear runners right now because it's nice outside? It's all different kinds of weather everywhere we go. And I'm going to put on a toque because we wear toques where I live when it's cold out. And I'm going to go for a walk. I forgot to put a happy face on me. There. So I'm pretty happy. And then I'm going to put my name at the bottom so that I practice printing my name every day and everyone knows this is my picture. Capital CELYNNE. And if you don't know how to make all your letters to make your day of the week and the month, that's okay. You can just practice. So every day if you pick a new letter to practice and practice that letter just for that day and then pick another letter, eventually you'll be able to you'll be able to print all the letters and you'll be able to spell any words that you want. So today, let's start off with the letter F. So you start up at the top and strike down just like the tally mark or a number 1. And you go back up to the top and you put one line across the top, and then halfway down come and do a little line. So this is what it looks like on the paper. You start up at the top. You can practice on your paper if you have one, or just practice in the air. Start up at the top and strike down. Then go back up to the top and go all across there. Then go halfway down and go just a little bit. That's an F. Let's try that again. Start up at the top, go all the way down. Then go back up to that top of that corner and go across. Then go halfway down and do a little one. So this is an uppercase F, or sometimes we call it a big F. And now we're going to make a lowercase f. So for a lowercase f, you start with a curve like this. And then come all the way down. Kind of like there's a line here. So it kind of looks like a candy cane. Can you try that? Go over here up near the top and then arch way up high and come straight down. And then about halfway, you're going to make a line through it like this. That's how you make a lowercase f or a small f. So big F, little f, uppercase F, lowercase f. If you keep practicing every day, eventually you'll be able to make all kinds of letters and put them together to spell words. So yesterday, I was feeling happy and content and just okay. Let's see what else we have in our feeling faces. So I have a sad face. I don't think I'm sad today. Are you sad today? Did something happen to make you feel sad? That's okay if you feel sad. You can talk about it with somebody, a friend or grown up. That can help you feel a little bit better. What about shy? Nervous? Timid? Timid and shy, kind of like you kind of want to see what's going on, but you don't really want to and you're a little bit scared. What about excited and happy? I think I'm feeling kind of excited and happy. Let's put this one over here. What about angry? Are you angry today? Did something happen to make you angry? Maybe you lost something or you weren't able to do something that you wanted to do. It's good to talk about it. You could talk to your grown-up about it or a friend. What about this one? Just content, happy? I think I'm kind of excited happy today because it's the first day of the month and I know Valentine's Day is coming, so I can start making Valentines for my friends and family. So I'm going to put my happy face up here. And today, my thing to do that is kind is I'm going to wave to all the people that I see when I go on my walk. So right now it's cold, so some people are wearing scarves, some people are wearing masks, face masks, and so I don't need to say hello with my voice, I can just wave with my hand. Maybe they're across the street, I can wave from across the street. Maybe I don't go for a walk, I can look out my window and wave to the people walking by. It's kind of a friendly thing to do, lets your neighbors know that you're friendly and that you'd like to know them and say hi. You can just wave. And sometimes I even wave back. Sometimes I don't, and that's okay. But it's very friendly and kind to just wave and let them know that you're happy and you're excited to see them. So I hope you find something kind to do today, and I hope you have a great day. We'll see you again tomorrow. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.